Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. Guys, in this video, I will discuss about IIT Guwahati versus TIS Mumbai. And like in this video, you will get very good information about these two very good institute. Okay, so in this video you will get a comparative idea about MA in development studies in these two institute, and I will discuss about placement scenario in MA in development studies of IIT Guwahati, and after that I will tell you about placement scenario in MA in development studies of TIS Mumbai, and you will get a comparative idea about these two institute and about this program. So guys, let's start. So one second. This is okay. So in this video you will get about idea IIT Guwahati and TIS Mumbai. What is TIS? I will discuss about it. Okay, and you will get idea about like MA in development studies in this two institute. Okay, so let's start, guys. What is it? What is this two how good these two institute in this particular program? Okay, and you will get a complete idea about this. Okay, I think this video will be really helpful for humanities and social science like students who want to pursue in MA in development studies. And why, if you, I know guys, some of you have like MA degree in specific subject, but you should do one more MA degree in development studies. If your age is, if your age, okay, is less than 25, you can go for it, and after that you will get huge opportunity, and you cannot imagine what will be your future. Okay, so you will be in such a position you cannot imagine, and your family also. Okay, so guys, let's start. I think you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. So okay, I think you can see this. This is the homepage of IIT Guwahati. Okay, this is the homepage of IIT Guwahati. Okay, so first of all of you know that the ranking of IIT Guwahati. IIT Guwahati means it is one of the national, one best national institute in our country, as well as it is one of the best in the world. You can see the ranking in India: fifth in chemistry, seventh in physical science, ninth in life science, and overall ranking in India, you cannot imagine, sixth ranking. Okay, okay, so overall ranking of this this institute IIT Guwahati, and its overall ranking is sixth rank in India. Okay, and world ranking is 350 rank, so it is quite good. Okay, it is one of the best. Okay, there are like in the world, you will get like 1000 or 2000 best institute. Okay, but out of, among all this institute, okay, so it ranks is like 350, so it is overall world rank. Okay, so it is a very good and fine institute. So when I will tell you about like TIS. What is TIS? First of all, I will tell you about what is TIS. So TIS, TISS, so it is one of the finest institute in like social science background, so in the field of social science. Okay, so the full name of this institute is like Tata Institute of Social Science, and you can see this. So its overall NIRF ranking is 57. So it is like quite different, na? So overall ranking in our country like 57, and like the ranking of IIT Guwahati is like overall ranking is 6. So you know it very well what is the big difference. Okay, so it is one of the best. Okay, it is one of the best, and all of you know that. Okay, so I think this information will really helpful. And Tata Institute of Social Science, it is in like the main campus of it is in Mumbai, and other campus you can see this. Okay, Mumbai, okay, Tuljapur, and Hyderabad and Guwahati also. So I think this information will help you a lot. You can go for this institute also, because placement scenario is very good. Okay, now I'll tell you about the placement. Okay, so you can see this. I think you can able to see this. Okay, so this is the placement brochure of IIT Guwahati. So this is the placement brochure. Okay, so this is the placement brochure of IIT Guwahati. Okay, so for this batch. Okay, so for this batch, and average package was like 6 to 8 lakh, and like highest package about 15 lakh. Okay, so about 15 lakh of IIT Guwahati. So I think this information will be really helpful. Okay, I think this information will be really helpful. Why this is like why I am telling you 6 to 8 lakh. Okay, because you will be able in many good position. Okay, you will be able to get many good position in this institute. Okay, so I'll show you the who are the past recruiters of this institute. Okay, so I think you are able to see that. Okay, these are the student of that batch. Okay, so look, these are the part recruiters of this IIT SIDB. You know, know that it is a bank. Okay, so you will be able to get a job in this. Okay, and other, look, Indian Overseas Bank. Okay, look, you can get a job in the Ministry of Labor and Employment. Okay, you will be placed in also Ministry of Home Affairs. Okay, these are the some best placement. You can get a job in Syndicate Bank, Punjab National Bank. Okay, so SBI Bank. You can get a job in WWF, World Wide Fund. Okay, so Tata Trust. Okay, so this you can see this Columbia Global Centers and Public Health Foundation of India. So these are the big big recruiters in IIT Guwahati. You can get a job in other private sector also. These are the recruiters, DAF. So look, Youth for India. So you will be placed in such a position, and you cannot imagine, and you can expect your salary. Okay, so take Teach for India. So Coal India, you will get a job in Coal India. So just go for it, okay. So average package of IIT Guwahati. So I have interacted with of this institute. Okay, so of who are from this department. Okay, so 6 to 8 lakh is the average package for this department, and highest package is 15 lakh. Okay, so this is a very good, okay. So I think this information will help you a lot. And one more important interesting information is that you will get a job, but you have to make your resume very good. You have to work hard. Okay, so in your department there will be 60 student. Okay, 60 student. Okay, so out of this student, if you want to get job, you have to work hard. Okay, you have to do many other course also. Okay, interdisciplinary course also. You have to learn many things. So this is the placement scenario of IIT Guwahati MA in Development Studies. Okay, guys, I am telling you MA in Development Studies. Okay, this video is for MA in Development Studies. Okay, so now I will tell you about the placement for TIS. Okay, Tata Institute of Social Science, that is main branch of this institute in Mumbai. It is a very good institute. Already I have mentioned overall ranking of this institute is 57. Okay, so very good institute for social science. Okay, so it is very good institute. And look, human resource and development. So, okay, so like human resource management department of this institute is very good. It is very good than any other IIMs and IIT also. Okay, so this department, like median salary package is 8.5 lakh, and highest sometimes it you can see, you'll be able to see that sometimes it is 30 to 40 lakhs. Okay, 30 to 40 lakhs in this department, only in this department. But I am telling you guys development studies, only for development studies, because it is a this video actually just for is a comparative information about these two institute, IIT Guwahati and IIT Guwahati, and like this Mumbai. Okay, so this Mumbai. Okay, so I'm talking about these two institute for MA in development studies, MA in DS. In DS means development studies. Okay, so MA in development studies, I am talking about this program only. Okay, it is a comparative information. Okay, so look, the average package is like 8 lakh. So sometimes you will get 12 to 14 15 lakhs also in TIS Mumbai. So both institute are very good, but when you will be in IIT na, IIT is a one type of great tag for a student. Okay, so IIT Guwahati overall ranking is like 6th. Okay, so it means that it is a global institute. Okay, in India it is one of the best, and overall ranking in the world like 350. Okay, out of like many thousand. Okay, so in the world, like you will be able to see that like many thousands, like 100,000 institute are there, but out of 1,000 or 2,000, the overall ranking of this IIT like 350. Okay, and in India its rank is like 6th rank. And while I'll talk about TIS institute, Tata Institute of Social Science, so it is overall ranking is 57. So I know guys, this is a very specific institute for humanities and social science domain. Okay, so you can go for it. Okay, this is a very good domain. So I think this information will help you a lot about the placement scenario. Okay, so guys, thank you, all the best, tata, bye bye from my side, and take care, and Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.